Welcome back to the range with Yo. As you can tell, we are in a safe and controlled environment. We are at the gun range. We have some cold drink and water set up here because I am going to run that Remington 870 tactical with that Archangel furniture for you guys today. I'm excited. We have quite a bit of shotgun shells that we will be shooting, but before we get into that, I am going to give you a little bit of detail as to what this baby looks like. So let's head over to the truck and let's talk about it. All right, so as you can see, let's do a quick little clear check first, and the shotgun is clear. So this is the Remington 870 tactical 12 gauge shotgun with the Archangel furniture on her. So as you can see, she does have an adjustable stock on her. She is a pump 12 gauge, and she also has your your shell holder on the side. Now we are working with an 18-inch barrel. She weighs 7.5 pounds, and she has a 6+1 capacity. Now, as far as price range goes, she's a little on the lower end. So we are going to see, I guess, no, not that we're going to see, does price really matter, but how well does she run? All right, so we do know we have that 1301 tactical and it runs absolutely amazing, but we are going to see how well this Remington 870 tactical runs. All right, so we have pretty simple, straight to the point. We know that's the beauty of 12 gauge shotguns. And what are we shooting? I had to pretty much get what I can find and be satisfied with whatever that was. So we have Super X 12 gauge, 1255 feet per second. This is 6 shots. So this is a upland small game shell. We're gonna see how well it does with our cold drinks and our water out there. We also have Super X. This is also small game, but this one is 7.5 shot, 1290 feet per second. And we have Winchester Expert, and this is 6.5 shot, 1325 feet per second, 12 gauge. Could not find any slugs, so we got to do with whatever it is that we have. So as I told you, we have some water, we have and some cold drinks. Now, as far as sight picture goes, or your sights on this 12 gauge, this does not have a ghost ring. Relatively what I'm used to on a tactical shotgun, it would have like a ghost ring rear sight with a pin front sight, but this one, all it has is that pin front sight. So we are going to see how well we can maneuver with just that pin front sight there, and with my T-Rex arm syndrome, how well we can go ahead and pump the action and get those rounds out. Obviously not semi-auto, so we will be pumping. All right, so with that being said, the only thing left to do now is what? Suit him up so we can send him down range. Yes, sir. All right, so I got my ears. We are going to load, we'll finish loading what it is that I started with. I think that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna leave that there as such. Let's drop one in and get that +1. And how y'all doing today? Y'all good? I am great. Thank you so much for asking. Let's get these first shots and let's see how well this performs. All right, that is full. Let's make her safe, and let's get close and personal with what it is that we have there. All right, my stock is definitely too far. And that first shot. Woo! Very nice. A little high. And she's empty. All right, so we know those small game shots are only spraying out. Let's see if I can go for something a little bit bigger. See if we can make a more of a, I mean, she feels good. She's doing what she's supposed to do. See if we can get a little bit more of a boom. All righty, let's get back to our sodas. Still the same. There you go. It's shot, but it's not doing anything. I don't know if you can see the water spewing out. There you go. Not too bad. Now, she does weigh 7.5 pounds. I didn't realize that 7.5 pounds was this heavy, but again, I think it's because of the barrel length and my arm being extended, really giving me or causing me to struggle a little bit with the weight, but it's not a bad thing. Still fun. Still having me a good time. Now, we're gonna finish off that. Maybe we can make that water do something. For it to be as low brass as these are, she is kicking quite nicely. There you go. Yeah, that water ain't gonna do nothing. Let's switch out our bottles. Excuse me. And let's do it again. Yes, so far so good. Performing very nicely. She is safe and she is clear. Let's get some orange. Yeah, those waters are boring. Let's get some orange and pineapple up there. Shake it up, shake it up. Smells good. Yes, damage done. Take that with me. Put this one over here. Let's get the rest of them. One more orange. Shake it up. Let's try to get a nice blow up. All right, vámonos. Vamos a coger una agua, no, tres aguas. Let's get 3 waters. Tenemos 4, pero vamos a coger 3. So we have a couple more cold drinks and some water set up. Let's see what these 6 shots do. These are 1325 feet per second. I don't think it's gonna do as well as the 7.5, but we gonna find out. So far, so good. She's performing very well. I'm able to engage the action without a problem. I'm gonna see how quickly I can engage the pump on her and send those shots out, and being accurate at the same time. Now this does take 2 3/4 shells as well as 3-inch shells, so you have the option to choose either one. I wish I had some 3-inch shells, but I don't, so we got to make do with what we got. Oh, she just blew the top off. There you go. Oh man, that was good. That was good. So, what was that? So we engaged the action. We sent our shots. We were quite accurate. So that is a plus plus. Super plus. See, I like that. Let's do it again. So far, so good. Performing well. You can make adjustments with your stock depending on the length of your arms, or yeah, I think pretty much. You do have a sling a sling swivel on here. You have some pick space on here for adding any tactical lights or anything of that sort that you would like to do to make it as tactical as you like. So that's also really nice. All right, we're gonna do it again quickly. We're gonna get them out. Shooter ready.
Stand by. Beep.
Ow. Ow, it pinched me. Woo! Oh, she pinched me. Jeez. Ouch. Look at that. Dang it. All right, she is clear and safe. So far, so good. What do y'all think? What did y'all see? I think she's performing quite nicely, I must say. Very nice. Heat wise, there's nothing really to worry about. Your action pretty much absorbs everything. Your finger really has no business up over the tube. That's where the heat is coming from. So yeah, feels good, looks good. So I am quite satisfied. Let's get a few more rounds through her, and then I'll ask you, what did y'all think? Is this something that you guys would consider as far as the tactical shotgun goes? My opinion, it's pretty good. And as far as your pumps go, I think they'll shoot forever. Forever and ever and ever. That's why, in my opinion, I would rather a pump shotgun versus a semi-auto. I guess if you get you a good semi-auto, your gas is where it needs to be depending on your feet per second of your shells and all that stuff, then you shouldn't have an issue. But when you have to, you know, start playing with your gas and your rounds, are they hot enough or anything like that, it becomes a little bit more pain in the butt. Ah! She going too fast. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. You know what? Next time we come and we do us a 12 gauge, we gonna do some, like some clays or something. I'm gonna let you throw the clay and let me shoot it. Would y'all be interested in seeing something like that? All right, the shotgun is clear and she is safe. I think she performed really nice. The Archangel furniture really gives her that extra character on her. As you can see, just the shell holder on the side is really nice. I really didn't get a chance, or I really didn't try to load from the shell holder, but we will bring that back once we start shooting some clays. But for the most part, really nice. I enjoyed it. This is the Remington 870 Tactical with the Archangel furniture. Very nice price point. I am satisfied. What did y'all think? Let me know. I enjoyed her very much. Really, really nice. As I was telling you here, you do have your pick space for you to add anything else that you want to, you know, tag her out with, a flashlight or something of that sort, for sure. Well, Yoke Gang, listen. If you have not yet checked out www.yokegang.com, make sure that you do pick up a t-shirt or a patch. Today we talked about that Remington 870 Tactical with the Archangel furniture. I am satisfied. I really enjoyed it. Like I said, price point is where it's at. And with that being said, Yoke Gang, y'all already know I love it when things work, but I love y'all for life. Peace.